So what said Fred? Fred is back. This used to be Charlene, but after the bullshit that this car has put me through, I changed the name to Fred. And it probably doesn't deserve to have that name, but he's still pretty. He dirty. You know the difference between the foreign car maintenance people and American car maintenance people is, even when I got my truck back, got my truck from the dealer, from a repair, is how they take care of your car when it's in there. Look at all this shit. And I don't know if you can see this, but look, here's a ding in the little rocker plate here. We took the plastic off. It's all scratched up. They ain't even try to look at the door from them climbing in and out the car. They ain't even try to do nothing. You know. I mean, just, you know, look. $70,000 is $70,000. It ain't a $1 million car. It's not a $100 million car, but come on, man. Look here. They didn't, you know, when I used to take my Beamer in, even if I told them not to wash it, they would make sure that they got the trash out of it. You know, they would vacuum it. They would get rid of all of the little marks that they left. Look at that door. And I know this car is much harder to get in and out of than a Beamer, but just the difference between foreign car maintenance, foreign car service, foreign car quality, just about foreign car everything. It's just so much better. I mean, it's just a disappointment, man. How you just gonna leave the car like that? Man, I told them do not wash the outside, because of course they don't know how to wash the outside. But you would think that a service manager would have said, "Hey, let's wipe that off, man. You know, let's do something." But I know how difficult this car is to get in and out of it. And I'm sure they was getting in and out of it quite a bit. But still, you could at least take the time to, you know, clean up what you messed up. But now I got to do it. So about the Corvette, I don't know when I could post this video, because like I said, we got some attorney action going on with the lemon law, warranty, whatever. See, did they fix it? Well, I mean, the light isn't coming on saying service rear axle anymore, so that's fixed. Is it like it was new? No. Not by a long shot. And I don't know, I keep hearing this whirling type noise. I keep hearing this whirling type noise as I'm driving. That sounds like maybe, how does it sound? Like maybe a rattling heat shield or something that's vibrating, you know, with the road and the engine rolling. It's just a constant, just you can't hear it unless you like on the freeway. You know, they have those dividers on the freeway. You can hear it coming back off the wall. Yeah, I don't know what that was or what that is, but it's kind of an irritating sound. And then, of course, it's still doing the same thing with it's doing the same thing with the, why is my little computer working no more? Did she burn up? I think she burnt up. Oh no, she worked. It's still doing the same thing with the gear shift. I gotta go on the other side. The same thing is whenever you put it in 5th, 6th, or 7th. See here, you don't hear it. Just regular. But when you put it in over here, that noise you hear even when you're backing up. You know, so it sounds like a wagon. But if you notice in any of these other gears, it doesn't do it. So apparently whatever is on this side of the transmission or the gear shift is rubbing against something. They said some kind of rubber mount, I don't know. So they need to oil it, I don't know. All I know is it wasn't doing this when I bought it. And when you back up, it just sounds like it's worse. So as you can tell, my frustration level with the POS Corvette Fred, it's kind of high, but I still realize, you know what, it's just a fucking car. And I'm gonna try to, you know, get some relief from it. I may not trade it. I mean, I'm sure they're not gonna buy it back. They probably throw some money at it for me to go the fuck away. And you know, depends on how much money it is. I might just go the fuck away. But yeah, they ruined my little Corvette dream. If you ever had a desire to buy something as bad as I had to buy this car, you know, they had it happen. Then this little thing here, look, this little silver, they haven't really put that back the way it should. That wasn't that much space between. It's a lot of little things, you know. It's little things like that that make me sound like I'm a little bitch, a whiner, a complainer. But hey man, it's a $70-some thousand car. I paid good money for it. You don't want the shit half-ass tore up right now. So yeah, I want all that fixed. I need you to put that back like it was. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Just don't know.